Good morning students. Today we are going to perform experiment of class 12th biology, and name of the experiment is to study pollen germination and growth of pollen tube. So dear student, to study pollen germination and growth of pollen tube, the material required include fresh and mature leaf of Hibiscus rosa sinensis, clean glass slides, cover slips, compound microscope for observing the growth of pollen tube and pollen germination, distilled water dropper, boric acid, potassium nitrate, sucrose and magnesium sulfate. Okay, so dear student, first of all we have to prepare a pollen germination solution. Pollen germination solution means a nutrient medium in which pollen grain germinate and pollen tube growth take place. Next step for pollen germination and pollen tube growth is formation of a nutrient solution or formation of a pollen germination solution. So dear student, for making pollen germination solution, we have to take 10 gram of boric acid in 100 ml of distilled water, 10 gram of sucrose, 20 gram of magnesium sulfate and 30 gram of potassium nitrate. So dear student, next step is to mix all the components with water gently with the help of glass rod. So dear student, here our nutrient medium is prepared. Okay. So now next step is to take a clean glass slide and with the help of dropper place some drop of. So dear student, after preparation of nutrient medium or pollen germination solution, next step is to place few drop of this nutrient solution on a clean glass slide. So dear student, here is the prepared slide which contain pollen grain and nutrient medium under the cover slip. So next and last step is to observe the slide under microscope to see the growth of pollen and pollen tube germination. So dear student, when we observe the microscope through the eyepiece of microscope, then microscopic pollen grains are clearly visible over the slide. These are pollen grains with pollen tube germination. Okay. So dear student, this is the experiment to learn how the pollen germination and pollen tube growth take place.